Welcome back, guys. So as you can see, we are going to create graphic tees. I've planned this out for us because I want to show you guys how easy it is to take one of your drawings and bring it into a cool t-shirt. Remember it from the thrift haul? Remember to think of your shirt as a canvas? So this is exactly what I've done. I've taken this t-shirt and I've added my illustrations. And I want to show you guys how I did this. And if you follow me on Instagram, if you don't yet, please make sure to follow me. In there, I've uploaded a video where I show how I did this in a shorter video. But I noticed that I haven't uploaded a video for you guys here on my YouTube channel. So let's get to it. I'm going to add another illustration to this t-shirt. Basically, it's like my tatted tee. And I'm going to show you how. So I have this mat right here just so I can lay down the shirt. And I'm thinking I am going to add the illustration right here to be right on my ribs. And now, let me show you what you have to get. You have to get this. This is for Light Fabrics. The brand that I'm using is Jolie's Boutique. It's transfer sheets. With these transfer sheets, you can print out any picture, any image, illustration, pretty much anything that you want to transfer to your t-shirt here. What you do is that you enter your sheet face up with the red lines in the top, and it's going to print here. You don't want the print to go on the red lines. So I have pre-printed an illustration that I've made, and as you can see, I printed the image on the white side. This side is much more textured, and then where the red lines are, you don't want the image to go there. It's pretty simple steps, and you get such a cool graphic finish here, so you guys can see. So I have this set here. And now I have my iron turned on. It's, I would say, in a medium heat. And now I'm going to press it down. And you want to press it down, I would say, for about 2 minutes. And I'm just going to hold. Boom, 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 boom. You know what I love about this? For instance, you see how people tend to like get tattoos and they have like a quote like it costs 60 or 100, and then once they have their whole, let's say, sleeve filled up, they've invested so much money on their arm. And it's very similar to this. Like, if you invest on images, if you want to buy illustrations and then transfer them to your shirt, baby, you have been investing in your shirt. And it's pretty dope because your clothing is like your second skin. Kind of a metaphor. Okay. So now that I've pressed it down with the heat, I'm going to let it cool down for 5 minutes. And then we're going to pull it off. And you're going to see the amazing results. But you want it to cool down. Give it at least 5 minutes. I want it to go faster. While we wait, we can still make a cup of tea. Let go. Okay, guys, I made a major mistake. I forgot to trim the image. You must trim the image after you print it, because then you're gonna be left with a ton of glue in the empty spaces, and you do not want that. Let's resume the video. Let's do this. Bow. So dope, but I love it. I'm just gonna put it on right now to show you guys how it looks when you wear it. I can't at all wait. Voila! Does it look good? Oh my god, it looks sick. You guys can get this same result by using a transfer sheet. However, I have to tell you guys that you have to hand wash your clothing when you use it. I'm gonna test out other brands, but so far by using this one, I've noticed that I can't machine wash because then it gets crinkly. If I hand wash the t-shirts that I use this transfer sheet with, the image is not damaged at all. So hand wash. So as part of this tutorial, I have uploaded the video, but I've written a blog post and I've have the link right in the description where you can click on this blog post, see the step-by-steps, as well as download this illustration that I've made for free. And if you're wondering about this illustration, it's my crooked teeth. I know they're not crooked right now because I have Invisaligns, but before they were massively crooked. If you click on my old videos that I've uploaded, you will see how my teeth have transformed. And so this is like me remembering how my teeth used to look. And actually with this illustration, I've made it into a cross stitch pattern. You can see the back. This is the back and this is the front. And it all came from this small illustration that I've made of my crooked teeth. And so now I think of Cardi B like but basically, yes, I am the artist, I'm the illustrator that made this, but I don't believe that just because it is my illustration, my creation, doesn't mean that it only has to be my property. It doesn't mean that it only has to be mine, that you can't own it. This is like my EP. This is like this is my single as an artist that you guys can download for free. And when it comes to fashion, there's one of the problems that it has is that this inclusivity and exclusivity. I believe in inclusivity, and so I want to make this available for you guys to download for free and bring this illustration to life in your own clothing just by following these simple steps of using a transfer sheet. But don't forget to trim it before you transfer. Alright? Now you know I'm not crooked teeth. We have come to the end of the video. Please try this out at home. Transfer an image to your t-shirt. If you're into ethical fashion, sustainable fashion, or you just want something super dope in your shirts, transfer this image or an image that you love and you will have like the coolest shirt ever made by you. So as you know, it's our weekend together, and since today's Saturday and I've uploaded this tutorial of how to create a graphic print in your tees, tomorrow Sunday I will be speaking about ethical fashion, and it relates a lot to what I'm doing here by refashioning a simple shirt into something that is super visually pleasing. Comment below if you've enjoyed the tutorial and let me know what you would love to see next in the channel. Besos! I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!